Spicy sauces are not just an addition to food, but a reflection of climate, culture, and traditions of different nations. In hot regions, spiciness helped preserve food and protect the body from bacteria, and over time, it became a source of pleasure. Today, spicy sauces represent a whole world of flavors, from mild heat to extreme burning sensations. Sriracha is a thick, spicy sauce originating from Sriracha, which became especially popular in the United States. It is made from red chili peppers, garlic, vinegar, and sugar. Its flavor is well balanced. First comes slight sweetness, then acids, and only after that the heat. Because of this, it is added to almost everything, from noodles to burgers. Sambal is a traditional spicy sauce from Indonesia and Malaysia. Unlike many other sauces, it is not always smooth. It often contains chunks of chili peppers and other ingredients. There are many variations of sambal, with lime, garlic, shrimp paste, or even fruits. Interesting fact: each family has its own sambal recipe, and it can vary greatly in taste and spiciness. Gochujang is a thick fermented paste from South Korea. It is made from chili peppers, glutinous rice, and soybeans. This sauce has a complex flavor. It is simultaneously sweet, salty, and spicy. Due to fermentation, its taste becomes deep and rich. Interesting fact: gochujang can ferment for months or even years, enhancing its flavor. Tabasco is one of the most famous hot sauces in the world, created by Tabasco in CSAA. It is a thin, spicy sauce with a strong vinegar tang. It is usually added in small amounts, just a few drops. Interesting fact: the sauce is aged in oak barrels for up to 3 years. Habanero-based sauces are especially popular in Mexico. This pepper is known for its intense heat and unique fruity flavor. At first, you notice a slightly sweet aroma, but then a strong burning sensation quickly follows. Interesting fact: habanero's spiciness can reach hundreds of thousands of Scoville units. Piri piri is a spicy sauce from Mozambique and Portugal, made from small hot peppers, garlic, and lemon. It is often used as a marinade for chicken. Interesting fact: the name comes from the word pepper in one of the African languages. Mustard is widely used in France and Germany. Its spiciness is different from chili. It is sharper and fades quickly. Mustard has been known for over 3,000 years. Mentioned in the Bible and Indian Chronicles, Romans ate it with meat. Interesting fact: in ancient times, it was used to treat colds, poisons, and pain. Even today, mustard plasters are still used. A history that gives you chills. There's a legend, and partly true, connected to the Carolina Reaper, the world's hottest pepper. He was looking for a way to cure cancer. He studied capsaicin, the very substance that causes the burn, and learned that in labs, it can destroy cancer cells. And he thought, what if we create the most concentrated pepper? In the end, the Reaper was born, with a scorpion stinger at the tip. The most expensive hot sauces. There are collectible sauces from Blair's Sauces and Snacks brand that cost hundreds of dollars. Why? 1. Limited edition series. 2. Bottles sealed with wax, skulls, and signatures. 3. Sometimes containing ultra-concentrated extracts inside. Some people never even open them. They keep them as an investment, like fine wine or art. Story: how hot sauce saved an entire city. During epidemics in Asia, people began adding chili to their food en masse. Why? Not just because it tastes good. They noticed those who ate spicy food got food poisoning and fell ill less often. Later, it was discovered capsaicin has antibacterial properties. It genuinely suppresses the growth of certain dangerous bacteria. In other words, hot sauces were originally not about thrill, but about survival.